Everyday phrases: break a leg, good luck, it's on me, I pay for it, beats me, I have no idea, go Dutch, share the cost of a meal, catch up, see you later, hit me up, contact me, dead tired, exhausted, take it easy, bye for now, okay by me, it's fine, give me a break, leave me alone, not in my books, disagree, not my cup of tea, not interested, make up your mind to decide, once in a blue moon, very rarely, but out, don't interfere, bite your tongue, keep quiet, pain in the neck, a nuisance, give me buzz, call me, I am heading out, I am going out, I don't get it, I don't understand, he is grumpy, he is unhappy.